How to download Roblox Studio on your mobile. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is just simply look for any web browser. You can do it on Google web browser, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, but this time I'm going to use Google web browser. So what you're going to do here is to simply search for roblox.com and make sure that you have logged in your account here. If not, you have to log in first. If you don't have an account on Roblox, you just have to simply click sign up. So this is what it looks like. Now, what you're going to do here is to simply tap create. Okay. So tap create. That is next to marketplace. Okay, so once you tap create, at the top left corner, you can see there are three lines. You just have to tap that, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so in order to see that download studio or create studio, you just have to request or you have to tap these three dots and put your mode into desktop mode. Okay, so tap these three dots here and then click this desktop site, and there you can see this create studio. If you don't have that studio yet, you just have to tap this download studio here. Okay, this one. So once you tap this, it will show a notification or a small button that says download studio. As easy as that. Okay, and that's how easy it is to download Roblox Studio on your mobile. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.